All right, you chimps, we're in the Duramax, and you guys know what that means. We're probably going to pick up another car. So I'm on the way right now to grab the trailer, and I'm gonna hook it all up and then go and check out this clapped out piece of, well, here's the trailer. We rent it out from a company called Axiom, and he always comes through whenever we need a trailer. If you're ever in the Tampa area and you need a trailer, hit up Rent Axiom. The real reason why we use his trailers is because it has a winch, and all the cars we buy, they are not in a running state, at least most of them, and somebody can't help you out. Having a winch right there is the biggest lifesaver ever. So we can't really afford a trailer right now. It's not really in our budget, but yeah, this trailer is awesome. This is a 20-footer, and it also has the wind guard right there as well. But yeah, Rent Axiom, that's the company right there. He is all hooked up. Gotta close the gate and we're ready to go.
Well, I couldn't record last night because it was very dark, but here she is, the Honda Civic Del Sol. She is a piece of work, but she does come with good parts, a lot of them. There's more in there, there's more in the trunk, there's more in my truck, but yeah, just a shell. Don't know what we're gonna do with it yet. Take some guesses in the comments below. But yeah, she's everything's there for the most part, and you just need to put it back together. Other people don't have time for these projects, but we do. Here's the interior. We have both seats. It is originally a manual. There's tons of parts in here and in the trunk and in the truck, as I mentioned before, but I'm probably gonna start cleaning it up a little bit. That way it's not just rotting away. So maybe just do a vacuum because it stinks in here. Maybe throw an air freshener or something. But yeah, maybe throw the top off if I can, and just let it air out. But we got a chicken laying down over there.
Yeah. Yeah. Hips garage, yeah, that's the zoo. Engines hanging half bolted through. Oil stains and broken dreams. Rev limiter popping with wild screams. Evan the chimp just swings that poop, talking big while dodging the work in the group. Throw shade, same way he throws parts. Misses the bolt and restarts. Daniel the chimp with the K24 howl. Coyote truck making noises foul. Limiter bouncing, thinks he's a god. Still needs help with the laptop mic. They beat on keys and make loud noise. I make boost and gap the boys. We be chimps, chimps, chimps garage. You got a Civic, bring it here, we do swap.
Chimps like us are gonna try to do our best to save these type of cars, because I mean, or clutch master cylinder or plate cylinder, whatever, master cylinder. Yeah, so cleaning out the trunk, and I'll show you all the parts in a second. With the Chimp crew, you know that we roll it. Bring a Mustang or a Civic, then you know we got you.
for now, she's going to be under a car cover until we know what to do with her. We might go to the junkyard and potentially grab a motor when they're 50% off from an Accord, and we might take the Civic EP3 trans and put it in this one and put a 6-speed in the EG. So that's gonna do it for today. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.